Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix the touchscreen not responding on your OnePlus Nord 5. So first, what you guys want to do is remove any screen protector or case if you have one. It can cause a lot of interference, and let me explain why. So whenever you have your screen protector, as you guys can see, I got mine right here. Whenever it's misaligned or not placed perfectly, this is the only condition where you want to take it off. Basically, the screen protector has to be perfectly aligned with the device or with the screen itself, and basically when it's not, then it can cause a lot of unresponsiveness with the screen. So make sure that it's aligned properly, and if not, then remove it and get it replaced later. And moving on to the case, basically when you got a case, then it can cover a lot of the screen sometimes when they are not made perfectly, and it can also cause the less responsive screen. So now, how do you actually fix that? Besides removing it, you guys need to clean your screen with a microfiber cloth. So get yours ready, and you need to give your screen a few good wipes. So do it just like that, but don't go too hard on the device. You don't have to, you just need to do it gently, and after that it should be good. Now what else can we do if this is just a simple minor mistake made by a software? Then we can hold the power button and swipe up to restart our device, and now our device is restarting, and every single restart basically refreshes the entire system, and it can help a lot in those situations. So I'll see you guys once the phone is turned on. Now after the phone restart, what you guys want to do is update your software if you haven't already. So move on to the settings. Now here we need to scroll all the way down until we see system and update. Now click on software update right up top, and it will check for updates automatically. So if you do not run the latest version of the Oxygen OS, then make sure that you do. It's very important to update your software regularly. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.